In today's video, I will teach you how to convert RAW files to JPEG in Lightroom. Let's get started. First, open Lightroom and navigate to the Library or Develop module. Then click on the RAW file that you wish to convert. The selected image will have a highlighted border confirming your selection. Now we're going to access the Export module. Right-click or Option-click on Mac on the selected RAW file. Then choose the Export option from the context menu. Alternatively, go to the main top menu, then select File, then Export, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-E or Command-Shift-E on Mac. Now we're going to configure the export settings. To set the image format, choose JPEG from the drop-down menu under the File Settings panel. Then select sRGB as a color space. Then you can adjust the quality slider. For the highest image quality, set it to 100%, which is ideal for printing or archiving. For web publishing, you can set it around 80%. Now we're going to specify the destination. Under the Export Location panel, select Hard Drive from the Export to drop-down menu. Then choose the location for saving the JPEG file. For simplicity, select Desktop or browse to a specific folder. Then check Put in Subfolder and name it for easy organization. Then review all settings to ensure accuracy. Then click the Export button at the bottom right corner of the Export module to initiate the process. To save time on repetitive tasks, Lightroom allows you to create presets for export settings. To do this, open the Export Settings window and configure the desired options. You can set Export to Hard Drive, then select Choose Folder Later for export location. And for file settings, you can set the image format to JPEG and color space to sRGB and quality to 100%. At the bottom left corner, click Add to create a new preset. Then name the preset and select the User Presets folder. Then click Create. And next time you can directly access the preset from the Export menu for quick conversion. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.